first start of the day. Seven years later. Running errands right now. Car's all warmed up. The starter was replaced on this car 7 years ago. So 7 years later, this ProStart remanufactured starter from Pep Boys is still working. I believe it has a lifetime warranty. You know what I noticed? People just disappear on YouTube. People are on it for a while, then you never see them again in the comments. Like, there's some people, I'll see them for a couple years and then they never show up again. And I also noticed that people don't really hold on to their cars very long these days. This is my 8th year of owning this car, and I hope to have it for the rest of my life. Check out what I spotted right here. That's retro. Nissan hard body with the 90s graphics on the side. Very nice. So there you go. Update video, a long-term update. People will review things, but who actually is still here 7 years later?